Now we'll look at like why statements like system can handle millions of users is meaningless. So why such statements are meaningless? Let us try to understand that. So what exactly is missing in that statement? So see, system can handle millions of users. It's like a vague statement. Many important crucial information is missing from that statement. Like that statement, it ignores the concurrency. That's this statement, it ignores the concurrency. Like, are users active simultaneously? Are users active because handles millions of users? This statement is not telling anything about the concurrency, whether those millions of users, whether they are accessing the system simultaneously or sequentially. It might be thousands of users might be active simultaneously and not 1 million. So this crucial information is missing. The crucial information about the request patterns is missing from that statement. Like nothing is mentioned about the read versus write. Like system can handle millions of users. So whether we are talking about reads or writes, heavy or light operations, so all these crucial information, that is a request pattern, is missing. Like the system can handle complex queries or simple fetches. So system can handle millions of users. This statement, it is missing the concurrency aspect, the request patterns, and also the latency expectations. Latency expectations. Like that statement is telling nothing about the latency of the system, like whether the latency is 10 milliseconds or 2 seconds, whether the system is real time or batch processing. So latency expectation, it's a very crucial information that is missing in statement like system can handle millions of users. Even data size, information about the data size is missing. Like the system can handle millions of users or system handles millions of users. This statement, it is telling nothing about the size of the data which the system can handle, like whether the system is dealing with kilobytes of data or the terabytes of data. So the storage information is completely missing from that statement, and the transfer impact is missing. And statement like system handles millions of users, it also lacks information about the geographic distribution. Geographic distribution. Whether the system is present in a single region or it is distributed globally. So crucial information about the network latency and compliance is also missing from that statement. So now it's very clear that statements like system handles millions of users, it looks very impressive, but it tells nothing like meaningful about the system, because such statement, concurrency aspect is missing, request patterns is missing, latency expectation is missing, data size is missing, geographic distribution is missing. So this is a meaningless statement. So we should not get trapped with such statements. Rather, in order to convey the quality of the system, we should better ask questions. So in order to assess the quality of the system, we should ask questions like request per second, like how many requests per second the system can process. What is the peak load? What is the average load? What is the read write ratio? Data growth rate, latency percentiles, whether it is 95 percentile, 99 percentile. So these are the right metrics. So in order to measure the system, we have to ask right questions, and these are the right questions, like request per second. So these are the right metrics which we should consider. Request per second, peak load versus average load, read write ratio, data growth rate, latency percentiles. if we look at an example, like we can come across statements like system can claim that it supports 1 million users, but in reality, it is supporting only 1000 concurrent users. So here we can see the marketing versus engineering truth. Here we can see the marketing versus engineering truth. So the core insight which we should consider is scalability must be defined in terms of workload, not users. So now it's very clear that whenever we talk about the scalability of the system, we should ask the right question. We should focus on the metrics, and that those metrics are dependent on the workload and not the number of users. So whenever we are talking about scalability of the system, we should ask questions like how many requests per second the system can process, what is the peak load and the average load which the system is handling, what is the read write ratio, the data growth rate, latency percentiles, 95 percentile, 99 percentile. So these are the right questions which we should ask